It's springtime in Connecticut. Hey everybody, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. It's finally springtime. So Uncle Jody did his garden. He went in there and tilled the soil. Yeah, he said he planted carrots. Oh, I see the sign for carrots hanging on there.
Oh yeah, they may not grow.
Let's pray that they do.
Remember when they didn't because he put them too high?
Shallow? They were too shallow, right?
Yeah.
So he's gonna fix this.
Did he actually take out all the weeds?
Yeah, he went through with this machine, this tiller, and pulled out a lot of the weeds. So there's a paper. He really needs to get some better plant signs so he can know what's where.
Yeah, so otherwise, paper on
yeah, that'll get wet, and that's gonna be gone. I have plant signs. We need to put some. Give Uncle Jody some and let him put some labels on them. All right, in the rock garden, what do we have coming up?
We have.
There's some hostas right there through the weeds.
Azaleas.
Azalea, yeah.
And
Hostas coming up. We gotta pull those weeds. Hostas.
Move.
That's a hydrangea. I got that from Uncle Jody for Mother's Day last year.
Gooseberry right there.
Yep, it's a gooseberry hosta coming up. Asiatic lily coming up. Here's another lily. Asiatic lily. That's a heuchera. It's doing well all through the winter. That's a big Asiatic lily coming up back there.
Really?
Mm-hmm. That one gets really, really tall. Something's been digging here.
Oh.
I don't know what we have.
And then that one is a plantain lily.
Yeah, that's a little, that's a hosta.
Oh, a hosta.
Plantain lily hosta. And that's another regular hosta. And the new hostas back here, Uncle Jody planted. He dug up the ones in the front, put them back here. So that's a hosta.
Oh, right there, I see them.
And that's a hosta. So I'm here with Garden Girl. And Garden Girl's assistant. And we're showing them what's coming up. Uh-oh. What's coming up in the garden. And we're just taking a walk through to see what's So this is the gazebo garden, and I planted hyacinths and tulips and some lilies out there. And so this is what's come up. I'm so excited about this little gazebo garden that's right in the middle of our yard. It is really coming to life. I'm so excited about this. Look at those hyacinths. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What's coming up? Oh, around the side here. So I'm showing her what's, and something smells fragrant too. So pink dianthus coming back. Lupin, which we planted a lot of lupin, we have to put those in. And this is what do I call this? A baptisia. Sapphire black baptisia. This is going to be nice and purpley. Oh. That's going to be nice and purpley. Something smells sweet. Is it my that's a, what is that, Madison?
Hosta?
A hosta. Yes, look at it. Okay.
What are these?
Those are crocus that have to be planted. Columbine. Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let me see if I can see in there. Can I see? Oh yeah, see? Hope this focuses.
Focus. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, we can definitely see from the
Lupin.
outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, they have to be planted. They have to go in the ground. These are coleus. And look at the little green buds coming up on those coleus.
We haven't sold columbine.
Columbine.
Stop touching my hair.
Yep. These are. Oh, wait. Hold on. I'm getting too much hand. Oh, okay. There's a columbine. Columbine or delphinium? Delphinium.
Oh.
These are delphiniums. Okay. They have to go in the ground. It's a nice day to do it. Look at the Shasta daisies.
Where?
Shasta daisy.
Those are not. Oh.
Yes.
They are.
Move the. Woohoo!
Ooh.
Shasta daisy seedlings. These were Madison's. Pretty much dumped them in. She pretty much dumped them in there. Dumped the seeds in there. You did pretty much. Just trying to plant them nice and gently, but then.
She just poured them.
So. That's it. Welcome to Life on Green. Is Garden Girl trying to shy away from the video? So welcome to Life on Greenwood, y'all. That was a little sneak peek of what's going on here in the garden. And I got my little helpers here to help me with the walkthrough. It's finally spring here in Connecticut. Finally spring. It's finally spring here in Connecticut. I just saw little Mackenzie walk by. It's finally spring here in Connecticut. Yesterday was like, I don't know, 90 degrees.
Yeah, it was hot.
It was hot.
0.
Yeah, it was really hot. Today is a lot better. Today's 63 degrees. So today I get a chance to come out and put some of the seedlings in the ground. But it was oppressive yesterday, believe it or not. It was so hot. So we're going to plant up some of these seedlings today since it's not so bad. How's everything going in your garden? Comment below if spring has sprung where you are. Again, we're in gardening zone number 6, B, A. I say B, but you know, it depends. And spring was here. Spring was here. It rained. Didn't it rain yesterday?
Yeah, it rained yesterday.
It rained yesterday. So spring is here, but our last day of frost is May 1st, so or May 2nd. So I don't, you really don't know up here if it's going to get cold again or not. So we have to see. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by Life on Greenwood. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We talk about thrifting and lifestyle and gardening and all that kind of stuff. And garden. And sometimes I have little helpers that stop by. Sometimes I have little helpers that stop by. If that appeals to you, by all means, join the fam. It's absolutely free. Thank you so much, guys. And leave a comment. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.